Are you grinding online, posting, sharing, hustling, and still getting zero traction? Your numbers are flat. Your engagement is dead. Meanwhile, some random raw video blows up overnight. Millions of views, thousands of comments. Bro, it's not you. It's the game that's changed. The old rules, obsolete. The algorithm doesn't care about perfect lighting anymore. But here's the good news. The new rules favor underdogs, those bold enough to test, smart enough to pivot, and unafraid to fail forward. This is a massive opportunity for anyone starting from zero. Today, I'm handing you the real world playbook that's working right now. Let's go. What's up, Kings? I'm Sean, and this isn't just another content strategy video. This is a wake up call for anyone building something real online, selling, coaching, or creating. Today, I'm breaking down 8 big shifts in social media and how you can ride them to build your business, your brand. Let me tell you about Dre, a sneaker reseller. His first Instagram page, polished, perfect, and 0 sales. Then he started a second page, raw, messy, real. Unboxing shoes in his garage, sharing the hustle. That page blew up. His sales tripled. Why? It was the format, the way he showed up. That's the secret we're unlocking today. The game has changed. Are you ready to change with it? Let's dive in. The first massive shift, the death of the perfect page. For years, we were told to build a flawless on-brand feed and art exhibit. That's over. It's too slow, too safe, too boring. The new model. Think like a TV network, not a museum curator. Netflix doesn't have one show. They have dramas, comedies, documentaries, reality TV. Your brand is the network. Your content formats are the shows. You need multiple shows to capture different segments of your audience. Some want polished content. Most want behind the scenes, raw, unfiltered moments. A single perfect page creates a barrier. You need a universe, not just a post. Give people multiple entry points into your world. Here's your action step. Don't touch your main account. Create a second test account. Call it your brand labs or your name unfiltered. This is your playground. Post the raw stuff, the unfiltered thoughts, the ideas you're scared to share. Try different hooks, camera angles, editing styles. Go live with no plan. It's not about followers. It's about data and discovery. When a certain type of content pops off, that's your hit show. Spin that format into a series on your main page or even its own new page. You're building an ecosystem, a media empire. You're not just making posts, you're launching shows. This is how you dominate. Stop curating. Start broadcasting. The perfect page is dead. The network is the future. Test, learn, and adapt fast. Your audience wants variety. Give it to them. Build your universe one show at a time. That's how you win. The next shift, AI influencers are here, and they're a massive opportunity. Instead of hiring a real person, you can now create digital AI-generated personas that sell, educate, and entertain 24/7. You can build a character that embodies your brand's values and personality. These AI personas become trusted figures, offering advice and building a following as a direct extension of your brand. The barrier to entry for creating a face for your brand is gone. Action step, create 2 AI personas. First, the category expert, an authority figure who gives value and expertise. Second, the buyer avatar, a relatable character who reflects your ideal customer. Use tools like HeyGen or Synthesia for video and 11 Labs for voice. Make a few short videos, test their content. You're not just making ads, you're building characters for your TV network. The future of influence is programmable. Start building your AI cast now. As AI makes content creation easier, sameness is everywhere. The winners, pattern breakers, those who disrupt expectation. When everyone zigs, you zag. When every video starts with 3 tips for X, you start with silence or a wild hook. Be bold, be willing to flop, because that's how you stand out. Your brain notices what's different. Be the pink car in a sea of gray. Break your own patterns too. Predictability kills attention. Action, Step: once a week, post a pattern break, something totally different from your usual content. It might flop or it might unlock a new audience. Safe content is invisible content. Be brave enough to be different. Big brands are firing agencies and hiring creators. They want people who live the culture, create fast, and connect authentically. Your feed is your resume. Your content is your proof. You don't need an agency job. You can create your own by building a personal brand and portfolio. A creator with true fans is more valuable than a fancy agency. Action step: list 5 to 10 brands you love. Start making content as if you already work for them. Tag them authentically. Build a mini portfolio. Then pitch yourself directly with proof, not promises. Turn your passion into your profession. The opportunity is real. Go get it. Short form content, TikToks, Reels, Shorts grabs attention. It's the handshake at the party. But attention isn't the same as building a business. Real connection and conversion happen in long form. YouTube videos, podcasts, in-depth posts. Short content is the trailer. Long content is the movie. You need both. One grabs, the other holds. Action step: for every long form piece, create 5 to 10 short remixes. Pull the best hooks and moments. In every short, have a clear call to action to the full length piece. Use short content as a bridge to long content. 15 seconds leads to 15 minutes, which leads to a forever fan. Master this flow and you'll master your growth. Don't just chase views, build trust. That's how you convert. Make every second count. Today's platforms feel permanent, but history says otherwise. The next big shift might not be visual. It could be audio, smart glasses, or devices without screens. Soon, content will be everywhere, in your ears, overlaid on your vision, streaming in your car. The future is multi-sensory. Audio is the next frontier. Start creating audio-first content. Voiceovers, audiograms, micro podcasts. Practice delivering value through your voice alone. Ask, if I close my eyes and just listen, does it still work? The future is listening. Get ready now. The old way, build a product, then market it, is risky and outdated. The new way, content first, product second. Build in public, test ideas with content before investing. Use content as your lab. Engagement is your market research. Action step: use AI tools like Midjourney to create mock-ups of your product ideas. Post them, run small ads, and ask your audience for feedback. The design with the most engagement is the one you build. Let the market vote with attention before they vote with wallets. Build smarter, not harder. People don't buy products. They buy feelings, identity, and stories. If you're just selling a commodity, you're in a race to the bottom. Wrap your product in a world, a vibe, a story. Your content delivers the experience before they buy. Action step: visualize your brand as a physical place. What's the vibe? The music, the energy. Translate that into your content. Use AR filters, immersive video, and storytelling. Don't just show your product. Make people feel part of your world. Sell a lifestyle, a memory, a movement. This isn't the future, it's now. The window is open for those who act. Want to go deeper? Download my free ebook, The Ultimate Guide to AI and Digital Marketing. The game has changed. The old system is gone. Now it's open season for the creative and driven. If you've been waiting for permission, it's time to wake up and work your playbook. Take one idea from this video and implement it today. Start that second account. Create that AI persona. Post that pattern-breaking content. The choice is yours. Watch from the sidelines or get in the arena and change the game. Let's get it. See you at the top.